Hi everyone. Today I'm going to try and attempt doing a landscape on this tile. I tape the back. Swiping. I'm going to be swiping all the colors. Let's see. Should I go for this? Okay, I'm going to be using a mist tint for the base. Kind of like a creamy color, pinky creamy color. It's Glidden Ultra and Glidden Epic eggshell mixed together. So I'm going to add that. Okay, the colors I'm using, not sure exactly what I'm going to use. I know I'm going to use blues and then earth colors. I've got some a couple of ultramarines here, because if I run out of one, I have another one. This is a dark color, a dark blue. I don't know, must be like a deep blue color. I didn't mark the thing. I got a little bit of red, magenta. I might use some of this. This is some what do you call it? Red violet. And I'll probably use some of that. This is, again, I didn't mark any of these colors. I don't know why. This is like an olive green, pale. This is kind of like a, I don't know, peachy color. This is like a light cream color. All right, I'm gonna start. Don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna give it a go. I'm not going to be swiping with palette knife. I'm going to be swiping with paper towel. And go like this. All in one swipe, hopefully. All right, so. Using all of this up. This is a darker blue. And I'm going to use this here. The red violet. add some, oops. This is red wine that I'm going to use. Oh shit, blue's coming off. I have to put something underneath here because it's tilting that way. I guess this is going to be a sunset. I should have some kind of yellow, but I don't, so I'll use some sequins and glisten. It's still running off. This is the kind of peachy color. Okay. I don't have enough of this for the bottom. I'll use what I have. And this green color. It's very thick. I have no idea what this is going to look like. It look horrible, but I just wanted to try it. All right, it's going crazy here. The blue is all right. I've got a piece that's exactly the same width. Usually I spray my paper towel just a little bit just to dampen it. Okay, so I'm going to put the cell activator wherever it is on the that one side. I'm losing everything here. the black. Oh. Making quite a mess here. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to, hopefully this won't move. It's not, it is going to move on me. Not at all what I had planned. You know what? I am going to leave this and then I'm going to let it dry and I'm going to come back and I'm going to embellish it with maybe some trees or something. I just don't know yet. I haven't decided. Probably some trees. I kind of like how it's looking. Just trying to see if it's going to move anymore. I'm moving it this way because I want some more of the blue to go on the edge. And I think it needs to move up a little bit more. I'm going to let it run off this end. I'm worried that it's too much paint and it's not going to dry well. So I'm going to just let some run off here. It's changing quite a bit up here. I think we're doing good here, so I think I'm going to leave it like this. That's very cool up here. It's like very crazy clouds. Looks like a moon up here. I will show you. And then I will embellish it. All right, I just want to show you it before I put it away to dry. It looks quite cool. I see a moon peeking through up there. Some clouds, crazy clouds. Okay, I'll be back. All right, I have a stencil here that I'm going to use, adding some elephants to my painting. And I have a, this is a, oh, it doesn't have anything written on the side. It's an acrylic pen, and it's black. So I'm just going to outline this and then fill it in. So, how do you like my final embellishment on this painting? I quite like it.